Sex is back. We are back. Driving four and a half hours to go tune on a fully built motor. This is gonna be the longest trip I've ever taken on this motor. Right behind me I got my boy Ramon in the ep3 untuned turbo. I think 6762 turbo. So yeah, hopefully we make it. That's him right there. We're supposed to be there at 11 o'clock. It's now 4:30. No, we can never be on time. Right. But the car wasn't ready till about 1 o'clock, and then on the way to grab E85, the fuel pump started acting up. A bolt fell out or something, so I wasn't getting any fuel, no fuel pressure. So we fixed it on the side of the road. That took about an hour. Got some E85, and now we're stuck in traffic. We'll keep you updated. We'll be there later tonight around 8 o'clock. We're gonna get this done.
And there we go, you heard it from the man himself. The man, the myth, the legend of Batman Racing. You done know the thing though. At the gas station filling up before we head out. Gotta do 4 jugs of E85 because I believe this one is getting an E85 tune as well. And then we'll be all set. Probably like 45 minutes out, if even that. But yeah, we're making good time, and we actually left at a perfect time because it was like in between the sections of traffic, so we just like kind of beamed through it. So wait till we get to the next spot. We're gonna do some shit. So it's mad dark. Hopefully you guys can see me, but we're here. See R6 right there. And we're at the same spot as last time. It's been a really long time, so I'm pretty sure a lot of you do not know where this is, but this is Yo Solo's shop. There's some couple cars out here. Last time there was more like a GTR and like a couple other things I don't recall, but you know, we're out here and there's somebody on the dyno right now, the big ass turbo American muscle, blah blah blah. I'll probably get a clip of that because that thing is sick. But I'll get to you guys when we get to doing what we do. Regal. Y'all know what the f is going on, man. You guys remember this spot? Man, listen. And I'll actually be showing some of the numbers, so yeah, the owner said that I could. Okay, so what happened here was we tried to do some pulls and everything like that, but for some reason we noticed that the VTEC wasn't kicking in. So we thought that it was an oil issue or a sensor or something, so we troubleshooted it a bit. And after a while, we figured that we didn't have any of the parts that we needed, so we came back to Boston from New Jersey. A couple guys went back the next day, tried to get it fixed, didn't fix it. But I just want you guys to know that for now, the video is going to continue another day, so I'm going to continue with what happened afterwards. But the car so far made 250 to 260 wheel with no VTEC. So yeah, this thing is going to make some jam, and I'll get back to. Well, Dyno day did not go successfully, but we're about to bring these two beasts back, and I'll be driving this one, the turbo one. It made 4 and some change, so it's going to be a fun little drive, to say the least. But yeah, I guess I'll get you guys some clips. I guess I'll let you know when we get back. We gotta fix the yellow RSX, and then probably gonna have to head right back out here sometime. Who knows? But about to get on the road, and then I guess you guys will see what type of shenanigans happens later on. Alright, so I've been driving this car for a little while, and my god, this is insane. Like, I have no words. I have to finish the E36. Like, this is insane. Insane. Like, I have no words. Like, I don't know. Oh my god. Boost. 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 I need boost. I need boost. That. Watch. I'm telling y'all, watch. Because since I didn't get that Audi, I'm salted. So it's like, I gotta go crazy with the E36, because, man, listen. Just watch. Give me some time. Let me sort out the E38, get that off, flip that fund, and boost. That's all I gotta say. Boost. Boost. That is boost. Like, and this is just cruising in 5th, baby throttle, like nothing crazy. Like, yo, this really done changed my life. Like, I didn't want to really drive like much crazy boosted cars and stuff like that until mine was done, but I really wish I did, because now I'm motivated on like a whole new level to get my car done, and I'm gonna make a lot of stupid financial mistakes and whatnot, but that's just how it's gonna have to be. So yeah. And again, 5th gear, that was maybe 65% throttle. And this is a couple days later. Now we're on the Autobahn, because it was just like I had to do it. Oh my god, that was some roadkill. But yeah, we're on the Autobahn now, and I'm gonna do a little pulley pull. Again, 5th, nothing crazy, 65, maybe 70% throttle. Like, hold on, let me give myself some space. And there's the yellow RSX right there. I don't know if you guys saw it, but yeah, I'm gonna give it a little bit of juice. Like, boost is crazy.